Tired of listening to 95 dB of deafening noise? And experiencing poor cutting performance from your perfectly sharp clipper blades when you use a conventional 220 volt to 110 volt converter to power your US clippers outside of America? You need the Frequency 60 Hz International Voltage and Frequency Converter, an amazing new converter that ensures your US clippers operate quietly at just 55 dB. And your sharp clipper blades cut hair with all the precision they should. This incredible converter will achieve these outstanding results with your 110 volt hair clippers and shaving devices anywhere in the world automatically, without having to research either the voltage or frequency at your intended destination. It works anywhere in the world with every wall socket. Conventional 220 volt to 110 volt converters look like they will power your US 110 volt hair clippers correctly in Europe, but they have limitations. Even though the voltage is successfully converted to 110 volts, generally the European frequency of 50 Hz will be retained, making it impossible to achieve flawless usage and leaving your tools to sound like this. This small limitation of failed frequency conversion causes big issues such as deafening motor noise and poor cutting performance. The Frequency 60 Hz uses advanced technology that automatically converts both the voltage and frequency to the right output anywhere in the world to ensure a flawless performance, just as though you were powering your 110 volt US clipper in the US. You simply plug and go. With the Frequency 60 Hz International Voltage and Frequency Converter, there are no compromises or limitations when it's used with a US clipper. You're guaranteed noiseless operation and top-notch cutting performance. The Frequency 60 Hz really is the way to go when it comes to powering your US clippers as you travel the world.
Hi, this is Larry from ProBarberSupplies.com, and today, as part of an ongoing series of videos called Name That Clipper, I will be showing a demonstration of the Andis GTX working successfully here in the UK. This demonstration also applies to people who live in Australia and anywhere in Europe, anywhere that has a 220 to 240 volt supply with a 50 Hz cycle, and they want to power this 110 volt clipper successfully, because there's a number of problems associated when you try to power a 110 volt clipper in any of these countries with the 50 Hz cycle. Anyway, with that said, let's start the demonstration. So here it is, the Andis GTX trimmer, straight out of the box as always. And it has to be said, this machine is absolutely gorgeous, and no disrespect to CUAL, this is an instrument and a half. Just everything about it, the cord is super thick, it feels like an industrial piece of equipment. Anyway, this isn't a review, this is just to show you the clipper working successfully in the UK. So as I always start every demonstration, I'll show it to you with the 230 volt to 110 volt transformer with with a 50 Hz cycle, and this is typically the results you can expect. So if we just plug that into the transformer, then put this into a 240 volt supply here in the UK, you get that horrible loud noise where you can barely hear yourself talk. Yeah? Can't do the clippers any good either. And as I always do, I'll show you the demonstration with yet another 240 transformer to 110 volt transformer with 50 Hz. So even though it looks more powerful and more advanced, you can expect the same result owing to the fact that it's a 50 Hz cycled transformer. So if we plug that in there, again you will hear this unbearable noise and you won't hear me talking. And now we will try the Andis GTX with the frequency 60 Hz converter to show you that working successfully. So if we just plug this into here, turn the clipper on, and we should get a nice smooth operational noise. There you go. That's the Andis GTX working here in the UK, nice, smoothly, great performance as it should. So there you go. So that's the end of the demonstration. If you did want to purchase one of the Andis GTX, or you wanted to purchase one of the frequency 60 Hz converters, please visit the link below and I'll be happy to assist you. Also, if you have any clipper, US clipper, that you'd like to see working successfully here in the UK or Europe, please drop me an email. I'll personally call those clippers in for you and shoot you a proof video here on YouTube. So thank you for taking the time for listening. Hi, this is Larry from ProBarberSupplies.com, and today, as part of an ongoing series of videos called Name That Clipper, today I'll be demonstrating the Wall Legends clipper working successfully here in the UK. This demonstration and how this will work will apply to anywhere in Europe, Australia, or anywhere in the world that does not have the 110 volt 60 Hz supply. So with that said, let's just get started. Here it is, the Wall Legend, the one that they're all going crazy for at the moment, with the crunch blades and the V9000 motor, which is 50% more powerful than most standard motors out there right now. So here we are, straight out of the box, the Wall Legend. As I do with all demonstrations, I will start the demonstration by trying to power it with a 230 volt transformer that goes down to 110 volts, but this transformer has 50 Hz cycle, so this is the one that normally everyone runs for when they buy an American clipper and bring it into the UK or Australia or outside of America. So this is what will happen when we plug this Legend into the UK supply with this transformer. Makes a terrible noise, you can barely hear yourself talking. So that's with the 45 watt transformer. The next place people run when they try and operate their clippers in the UK, they'll get a big transformer like this in the hope that this will actually do the job of powering their clippers without making the horrific noise. So basically I'll try plugging it into this machine and it will be the same result. Now this is the frequency 60 Hz, which is the 220 or 240 volt to 110 volt 60 Hz cycle, and this is how you get any clipper, any US clipper, to work successfully outside of the UK in any country. So when we plug that in, you've got a beautiful operational noise. The blades operate nice and smoothly as they should. So there you have it, the Wall Legend working successfully with the frequency 60 Hz converter. If you have any US clippers that you doubt will work successfully with the frequency 60 Hz converter anywhere in the world or with any clipper, please put your name and your details in the comment below or send me an email. I will personally get that clipper in for you, get it behind get it plugged into the frequency 60 Hz and show you it working successfully. So that's all for today. So if you would like to purchase the CUAL Legend clipper or the frequency 60 Hz converter, please visit the link below. Thank you for taking the time for listening.